Hey everyone, in this video I will walk you through the full process of setting up a CSC reader. Whether you are using it for secure access to government system or for verifying identity, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the following: a compatible CSC card reader, your CSC card, a computer or mobile device, any necessary drivers or middleware. Depending on your operating system, you may need to install a special software to use your CSC reader. For Windows, install the latest DoD CSC middleware like ActiveClient. For Mac, you will need the latest version of Smart Card Services, which should be built into Mac OS. But you may need additional middleware depending on your organization's requirement. For Linux, install the required PCSC libraries and drivers. Plug in your USB card reader to pair your Bluetooth reader with your device. Make sure the device is recognized in your system's device manager or Bluetooth settings. Insert your CSC card into the reader. Open a secure website or portal that requires CSC authentication. If prompted, enter your PIN to verify that the reader is functioning correctly. If your reader isn't working as expected, check the driver updates. Restart your computer, ensure your CSC card isn't expired, and contact your IT support for further assistance. And that's it. Your CSC card reader is now set up and ready to secure access. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides.